Omo, e don be for Portable. E don be for am. EFCC dey find Portable. E dey find am seriously now. Dey dey find Portable seriously. Make una dey follow us so that una go fit hear the full gist. If na the first time wey you dey watch our video be this, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name na Okpe Omajiboye. Omo, e get this video wey dey go viral now, wey don dey go viral since yesterday, wey dey show where Portable dey kneel down dey beg EFCC say make EFCC no vex say e no go do that again. Una remember say Bobrisky dey de ten tion now, e dey prison now, 6-month prison, where dem talk say im dey misuse the NAIRA, im dey misuse Nigeria currency, im dey spray Nigeria currency anyhow. And una know say Cubana chief priest yesterday, im still use 10 million bail himself o. Im use 10 million bail himself. So video dey go viral yesterday where Portable dey kneel down dey beg EFCC say make dem no vex, say no be say im dey always dey spray money for club or for wedding or maybe im dey spray money for burial ceremony, stuffs like that. Im say make EFCC no vex o, say na only im fans im dey spray money for, say im dey always spray money for im fans o, say no be say e dey always dey do am, say no be say e just wan do show off, say na just im wan make friendship with im fans. Portable post the video for im IG yesterday. Portable add o say if EFCC get any of im video wey im dey spray money, say make EFCC no vex o, say no be wetin im mean be that, say im just dey spray am for im fans so that im go fit show love to them and they go like am too. Wetin una dey reason o? Shey una think say EFCC suppose carry Portable or make dem leave am based on say im just dey use am dey help im fans ni? Anything wey una think, make una write am for comment section, wey make we for fit talk about am. If na the first time wey you dey watch our video be this, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you. This is all we have for you today. Bye.